Fire Department, what's the address of your emergency?
See how heavy this smoke
Fire Department, what's the address of your emergency?
Charlotte Fire Department, what's the address of your emergency? Fire Department, what is the address of
I
your
just got a public safety alert.
Charlotte Fire Department,
Do
what-
not call 911 unless you have an emergency.
Charlotte Fire Department, what is the address of your emergency?
In the United States, firefighters respond to over 1.4 million fires every single year, resulting in over 3,500 civilian deaths and over 13,000 life-threatening injuries. But it's not just civilians who are at risk. Annually, over 60,000 firefighters either die or are severely injured during interior fire operations where visibility is at zero. Why are these numbers so high? It comes down to a single thing: situational awareness. When a structure fire fills a building with smoke, 4 critical problems emerge simultaneously. First is the problem of visibility. Smoke and extreme heat make it impossible to see. Second is time. Flashover can occur between 3 to 5 minutes, igniting everything at once. Third is obstacles. Things like debris, blocked exits, and changing layouts can delay rescue times. And finally, fourth is technology. Critical information is scattered across separate devices and radio channels. Firefighters and the thousands of victims in fires need a better solution.
Welcome to Aegis SL, a breakthrough in the right path for firefighters.
Aegis is revolutionizing site and zero visibility environments with an augmented reality firefighter helmet attachment designed to restore situational awareness in zero visibility conditions. Here's how it works.
The helmet combines long-wave infrared thermal imaging with a millimeter wave radar to see through smoke and maintain reliable perception even in extreme heat. The thermal camera detects heat sources and potential victims, while the radar provides stable depth and obstacle information.
Our lightweight edge-based artificial intelligence processes sensor data in real time to identify victims, doors, stairwells, and obstacles. We trained the model on 2,400 thermal images, achieving 82% precision for victim detection and processing each frame in 34 milliseconds, faster than a human can blink.
Our thermal slam system builds a live 3D map of the building interior immediately while tracking the firefighter's exact position. We trained it on 15,000 thermal images, reducing positional error to under 0.8 meters, a 73% improvement over existing methods.
Integrated sensors continuously monitor carbon monoxide, oxygen levels, and temperature, translating readings into clear hazard alerts so firefighters can recognize invisible dangers before they become fatal.
All data streams in real time to a commander dashboard built on an interactive tactical map. Commanders can see exactly what their teams are, what they're encountering, and what hazards surround them. The platform includes a fine-tuned AI tactical assistant trained with firefighter domain knowledge and Mayday protocols. In a Mayday event, the system immediately broadcasts the distressed firefighter's last known position and active server data to the entire command team.
We said this would be great for me as an incident commander to be able to see what the guys and girls inside are seeing and develop a map of the structure. That's the ultimate goal.
Aegis itself stands alone. No other product on the market integrates thermal imaging, AI-powered edge detection, 3-dimensional slam mapping, and environmental safety sensors into a single hands-free system. Look at the competition. The current leaders in the firefighter technology like FLIR are only able to produce single-function technology at thousands of dollars. Aegis SL delivers all 4 at a fraction of their combined cost.
We eliminate dependence on handheld devices that occupy a firefighter's hand during rescue, and the need for departments to purchase separate tools for mapping, sensing, and detection. We reduce total equipment costs by 60% compared to combining those capabilities from existing providers, and we cut decision-making delays during emergency events. We raise situational awareness, navigation accuracy, and victim detection speed well above anything currently available, all through AI processing running directly on the helmet. And Aegis SL offers features the industry currently doesn't have in one product: a fully integrated hands-free AR helmet attachment, real-time 3D interior mapping, and an AI-assisted command dashboard for live tracking and hazard alerts. That is the value that we provide.
To unlock this blue ocean, we look beyond existing demand to attract 3 tiers of non-customers. Tier 1, soon-to-be customers, municipal fire departments relying on fragmented tools, volunteer departments on tight budgets with outdated technology, and incident command centers taking real-time interior visibility. They already recognize the problem. Tier 2, refusing non-customers. Departments that are resisting adoption due to cost or training, and those satisfied with standalone cameras that don't see the value in integration. Tier 3, the unexplored tier, goes beyond firefighting entirely. Military units in smoke-filled environments, industrial response teams in refineries and chemical plants, search and rescue teams in collapsed structures. Every single one of these groups faces the same zero visibility problem.
Moving over to our financial plan, Aegis SL will launch an early-stage funding round securing $500,000, consisting of angel investor capital of $400,000 and the remaining $100,000 from crowdfunding to support operations till quarter year 2026. We will then launch a trial period of 6 months with committed local and municipal fire departments to gain market traction and prove our product's efficacy. Profits in the trial period will be reinvested back into the company, and by quarter 1 of 2027, we hope to sign multi-year business-to-business contracts with municipal and local fire departments. And by quarter 4 of 2031, we hope to exit our company with an acquisition from a major fire equipment manufacturer, allowing for technology to be used on a wider scale.
We built a working prototype, tested it on real Kane's 1010 fire helmet, loaned us by the Loudoun County Fire Department, and collaborated directly with active firefighters throughout development. We have dozens of successful tests and hours of data analysis through 3D operatives to ensure success in the field.
To restore sight where there is none, to reduce risk when it is greatest, to save lives when every second counts, Aegis SL is not just our invention. It is our commitment to a world where firefighters never have to operate blind, a breakthrough towards the right path for firefighters.